Hey everybody, it's David with the Dirty Gringo, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install our new product and show it off a little bit. This is our custom Fender Delete kit. It's meant for the Indian Scout line, so that's the Scout, the Bobber, the 2060, just any Scout. And it should fit the Rogue, but I need someone to check that for me before someone quotes me. Yeah, so the pictures you see are of my bike. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Super sleek looking, completely sealed. It just looks great. So here we are. I'm going to show you guys how to install this thing. In your kit, you're going to find two metal plates, one made from lightweight aluminum but is slightly larger, and a bottom plate which is made from thick cold-rolled steel. Additionally, we've included some high-quality rubber seals to ensure it's sealed from dirt and mud. The seals are about 1 inch too long, and we do that so you can trim them at the end so they're the perfect length. The seals just go on the edges of the top plate, which is a slightly more oblong and larger plate, but lighter plate. We're going to start with the fender and subframe already removed, revealing the battery compartment. We're going to take the heavy steel plate and position it at the back half of the compartment. We're going to insert 4 bolts that came off the fender and subframe. These are all 15 millimeter, and we're going to start these threads, but we're not going to tighten them just yet. You'll notice that the holes are all oblong on both. This will allow you to make some small adjustments, so in the end it looks perfect and you can get it just right. We're going to take our top aluminum plate and we're going to align it over the compartment. You'll notice that I have a hole in mine which I feed my taillight wiring through. That's something I drilled. Everyone's wiring is going to be a little different. We're going to place the aluminum plate over the compartment, but before this I recommend pushing down the wires to try to make as much room. So now we're going to position the Indian Solo seat mount over the top plate using the OEM bolts. We want to get the threads started, but we don't want to tighten these just yet. With everything in place and held, we want to take a moment to adjust both plates, ensuring the fit and seams are exactly how you want them. Once satisfied, tighten all the bolts securely. The top plate's aluminum construction allows for slight bending to achieve a snug fit. You can adjust the rubber seals as needed to fill any gaps, ensuring a tight seal around the compartment. If you encounter any large gaps, especially at the back seam, consider adjusting the cables, as those could be pushing up and you need to push them down more. Or you could reposition the back plate to apply even more pressure.